Today, we're going to dive into a really crucial part of the hotel experience, one that happens mostly behind the scenes: allocating guest rooms. We'll get into everything from the standard day-to-day procedures to the art of a great upgrade, and even how to handle the delicate task of a downgrade. Mastering this is absolutely key to creating an excellent guest experience.
So, let's kick things off with a question for you. What do you think is the very first thing that makes an impression when a guest walks into a hotel? Is it the beautiful lobby? The friendly doorman? Maybe that signature scent you've carefully chosen?
Well, while all of those things are definitely important, the real first impression is all about fulfilling a promise. It's the promise of a perfect, personal sanctuary for their stay. And that experience? It doesn't just start when they slide the keycard in the door. It begins the moment we start thoughtfully allocating their room.
To get that right, we have to nail the fundamentals. So let's jump into our first section,